Tools needed: electric drill, Phillips bit or Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, needle nose pliers. Turn off power to the refrigerator. Remove the screws securing the back panel and set it aside to access the compressor control board. Disconnect the wires from the compressor control board's spade terminals. Unscrew and remove the control board. Slide the control board to access and disconnect the white harness connected to the compressor. Use a flathead screwdriver to carefully pry the plug from the compressor's 3-prong connector. Remove the old control board. Attach the white harness of the new control board to the compressor. Secure the new control board in place. Reconnect the wires to the spade terminals on the control board. Reattach the back panel. Restore power to the refrigerator.